Hey guys, so this video is for this slide, slide 8 through slide 12. So let's get moving. All right, we have personification, which is of course is giving or applying human qualities and or emotion to non-humans. Notice how I said non-humans instead of just animals, because honestly, you could personify a rock if you want to. A lot of times we think about this more with animals, but you can personify anything. So it's anything that's not a person. Okay. Which of course brings me to the ever wonderful Pixar. You guys know how I feel about Pixar. I have the short up here, Lava. And so I just want you to watch the clip. Now, good news is we'll use this clip more than once because I know it's a little long. So you'll watch the clip and I want you to tell me what examples of personification do you see. Now, obviously, because it's a cartoon, this is going to have some really obvious personification. And I know it says my hint says my video has an example for you to see too. I'm not going to give it to you. It's a clip about volcanoes that fall in love. I think you can find the personification on your own. Then we have hyperbole, which of course are exaggerated statements or claims not meant to be taken literally. My favorite type of hyperbole, which I think will never get old, are your mama jokes. Okay? So they can be lame, they can be hurtful. I love them. But either way, there are usually hyperboles that aren't meant to be taken seriously. Although you guys know you're supposed to be careful about who you say your mama jokes to. You never know. Some people can't handle it. Be mindful. So here's what you get to do on your own. So first thing I want you to do is underline the hyperbole that you see here in this lovely stanza from our example poem. Okay, so this one's a little bit more subtle. Okay, so you have to kind of think about, does he really mean that altogether? And then of course, just for fun, you can write your own, your mama, daddy, grandma, whomever you want to aim it at. I'm going to be sensitive to that aspect of it because I'm going to be quite honest. If I was going to make one, I'd make one about my dad. So have fun with that. Write your own joke. If you are in a Zoom class, we might do some of these together in Zoom class. All right. If not, just type it here so I can get a giggle when I look at these later.